So on the last module, we talked about basic plumbing repairs. Today we'll be looking at the drainage systems and the features installation from system understanding to professional installation. Now this module moves into intermediate plumbing, focusing on drainage system, features, installations, advanced clog remover, and water hammer control. By way of module objectives, by the end of this module, learners should understand how drainage systems function at a system level. The learner should be able to explain soil stacks, waste pipes, and vents, and how they work together. In addition, the learner will gain the ability to install common features such as the wash basins, toilets, shower trays correctly. The learner will also understand um, advanced clog remover methods and how to diagnose and fix the water hammer problems. By way of introduction, the module 4 marks the transition from the basic repairs to full system understanding and installation. The learner is no longer limited to fixing leaks, but now begins to understand how complete drainage system operates. This includes installing features from scratch and diagnosing deeper system problems. This stage represents the beginning of professional level plumbing practice. So let's look at the first, a soil stack. This is the soil stack in the image. This is what it looks like. A soil stack is the main vertical pipe that carries waste from toilet and other features down to the sewer system. It runs through multiple F bores and handles both liquid and solid waste. Its large diameter allows it to carry high volumes without blockage. It also extends above the roof. You can see that to act as a vent for the system. Then we have waste pipes. What are waste pipes? Waste pipes carry used waters from sinks, from your sink, from showers, and other features that do not contain human waste. It only carries liquid. These pipes are smaller in diameter and rely on gravity to move water. They connect into the soil, stack, or the main drain. Proper slope is essential to ensure efficient flow and prevent blockages. Now we have the venting system. Vents allow air into the drainage system, preventing vacuum formation where water flows. This protects trap seals and prevents sewer gases from entering the building. Without proper venting, drainage becomes slow and foul odors may appear. Venting ensures balance and smooth operation of the entire system. Installing a wash basin. A wash basin, it's that your sink, that place you usually wash is called a wash basin. Where you wash your plates, that's a wash basin. Right? So a wash basin requires how to install it requires careful measurement, secure mounting, and proper connection of water supplies and drainage. The basin must be level and positioned at the correct height. Connections must be sealed properly to prevent leaks. Testing after installation ensures the system works correctly. What about installing the toilet? That is a water closet. Toilet installations involve setting the bowl on the proper seal, securing it to the floor flange. The wax ring or rubber seal prevents leakage at the base. That's what they call a wax. If you look at your toilet, there's what they call a wax ring. Is at the down. If you have a water system, you can see it will look as if the toilet was um plastered to the ground. That's what it's called a wax ring. Or sometimes you can use a rubber seal. It prevents leakage at the base. The tank must be stored carefully to avoid cracks. Proper element and testing are essential to ensure a leak-free installation. Now, Installing a shower tray. How do you install a shower tray? A shower tray must be supported properly to prevent movement and damage. A mortar bed provides a stable base and prevents flexing. The drain must align correctly with the waste pipe. Proper sealing ensures no water leaks behind or under the tray. So shower tray is what you're ensuring is when you're installing your shower. Now let's look at advanced clog remover. How do you remove your clog in an advanced manner? Advanced blockages requires tools beyond basic plungers. Heavy duty hangers are used to reach deep clogs in pipes. These tools must be used carefully to avoid pipe damage. Correct technique ensures effective and safe removal of the blockages. So when it comes to clog remover, you need to use advanced tools, especially when the clog is very like the blockage is very advanced in a way that you cannot use any plunger. We talked about plunger emoji too. It's when you use suction to bring or pressure to bring out what is blocked from your sink. There are some cases where it won't work. You have to use advanced tools. Now we have enzymatic cleaners. What are enzymatic cleaners? Enzymatic cleaners use bacteria and enzymes to break down organic waste. They are safe for pipes, the environment, and septic systems. They are ideal for slow drains and preventive maintenance. However, they are not effective for solid blockages or complete clogs, which is very true. Now let's look at the water hammer. What is a water hammer? A water hammer is a condition caused by sudden stop in water flow, creating a pressure wave. This results in loud banging sounds in pipes. If not corrected, it can damage pipes and fittings. Understanding it is essential for proper diagnosis and repair. How do you fix a water hammer? A water hammer can be reduced by installing air chambers inside your pipes or mechanical arrestors. What do they do? These devices will absorb the pressure waves and protect the system. So, securing loose pipes and controlling the water pressure inside your pipes will also help to prevent the problem. Proper solution ensures long term system stability. Now, let's look at some of the do's and don'ts very quickly when it comes to this. Intermediate plumbing requires careful planning and execution. Proper slope, correct materials, and safe practices must always be followed. Mistakes such as poor venting or improper installation can cause a major system failure. Discipline and attention to details define professional work. So some of the do's here include proper slope, making sure that your pipe is placed correctly. Correct materials. Do not buy fake materials. Then safe practices such as wearing gloves is very important. Now the don'ts includes poor venting. Just choke everything together. There's no air, there's no ventilation, nothing, or improper installation. It's These are the don'ts. Then discipline and attention to details is a do. Make sure you are disciplined. Make sure that you are using one, use one. If you're using two, use two. Then attention to detail is also very important. Now, by way of conclusion, this module has introduced system level plumbing knowledge and installation skills. You now understand how drainage systems function and how to install key features. You can also diagnose advanced problems such as deep clogs and the water hammer. This knowledge prepares you for more advanced plumbing work and professional practice. So I'll see you in Module 5.